A lot of times in business, we're given strategies and blueprints and tactics, and we don't do them, and therefore we don't get results. What I'm doing is a special workshop this week to teach you not only the things to do, but help keep you accountable to actually doing them and get real results. Not just results as in more likes, more subscribers, more emails, but measurable results with revenue. So I've been coaching businesses and helping businesses for over 13 years, and even my own business, helping it get to 7 figures of revenue. And so what I would love to do is have you come in, spend a few hours with me this week, and I'm going to teach you the exact method and process for generating new leads, converting those leads into sales, having to retain those clients, and how to ascend them through a value ladder. So if you're at a point in business where maybe you just feel stuck, maybe you've got a head full of ideas, but you don't know how to execute, you don't know how to prioritize what is the most important, then join me this Thursday, and I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly what to do to get unstuck and move your business to the next level. It's not always about having all the ideas in our head. We have all the access to information that we need. It's about someone telling you what to prioritize and helping you actually execute those ideas. So join me for the Revenue Accelerator workshop that we call RAW, and I can't wait to see you there. It is going to be game changer. The small investment I'm asking you to make is not for me to get rich, guys. It's $197, but it's going to help you get to the next level. And sometimes when you put skin in the game, you're more likely to pay attention. There's one of my favorite lines is people that pay attention. So think about this as this is your fee. So you will take this seriously and you will push yourself to get to the next level. And I'm going to help you every step of the way. I'm only offering this to 10 people. So it's going to be a very small, intimate workshop. I hope to see you there and can't wait to help you get to the next level of revenue for your business.